Hello and welcome back to the Rush Hour Roundtable. All right, so for some, perhaps it was the day the music died in Atlanta. Live Nation canceling the Music Midtown Festival. It was scheduled for September. The organizer not saying exactly why, others saying it's pretty clear. It's due to Georgia's state gun laws. You see, in Georgia, you can legally carry firearms in most public places, but Live Nation's policy does not allow firearms and other weapons into any of its concerts. The location of the Music Midtown Festival is at Piedmont Park in Atlanta. That is city-owned. Gun rights activists argued that organizers had no right under Georgia law to restrict guns at the festival. And Georgia's Safe Carry Protection Act passed in 2014, and in 2019, the state Supreme Court ruled businesses with long-term leases could keep guns out of public land. There is this gray area, though, about short-term leases on public land. Our big question for the panel: should Live Nation be able to ban weapons at a public venue, especially in a state that would allow it? Let's start with you, Capri. I see you shaking your head.
No, I mean, look, I think that the state law in this case is clear, and, state law is going to govern because this is on city land and not private property, because there is that gray area. I don't think that Live Nation is going to have the ability to ban weapons. I mean, I know that in Ohio, our concealed carry law traditionally has been, you can take your concealed carry weapon wherever you want, unless the private property owner posts a sign saying that they are not allowing those concealed carry weapons in their privately owned, property or business. We're not talking about private property here. Georgia's laws are probably somewhat different than Ohio's laws, but I think the issue here is the fact that, maybe in a different circumstance, if it was a private venue, they might be able to negotiate a contract between Live Nation, the presenter, and that private venue to be able to curtail the those weapon uses. Otherwise, I think that, Georgia, it's their law.
Yeah, I mean, Tony's clapping. I also want to bring in Angela's legal mind here. Angela, what do you think?
I would agree with Capri here. And I think that if the people of Georgia are sad that this Live Nation concert is being canceled because of this, and they can change the law, they can vote. That is their prerogative.
I hear you. And I'm so sorry, we're short on time, so I do want to get Tony's voice in here as well. I mean, I saw you clapping. We know, though, that concerts can be filled with alcohol and drug use. Should guns even be allowed in venues like this?
First, let's not sit here and defame lawful gun owners. And secondly, let us all note that Capri Cafaro is a genius. It's the greatest podcast that ever lived outside of my own Eat, Drink, Smoke podcast. And I've always been a huge fan. Always. Just in that moment right there.
Tony, you're such a smooth talker. I mean, very, very nice. Amy, I want to bring you in here. I mean, do you think that this is an appropriate place to have concealed carry, alcohol and drug use in a crowded public event?
Well, I'm going to agree with everybody on this panel, because the law is the law. And if you aren't okay with it, then you can go and pick another venue. What I find so rich is that Stacey Abrams, who actually, took the MLB All-Star game out of Georgia, she actually said that gun expansion, basically cost the city a premier event.
I mean, absolutely. And I mean, to that point, the president of Atlanta City Council saying the festival brings $50 million a year. It might be moving to North Carolina. I mean, Amy, back to you. Does Atlanta have a responsibility to find a middle ground and bring that business to its economy?
No, they don't. And in fact, if you want to change the laws, then go ahead and vote to change the laws. But, if this Live Nation organization is very adamant against having weapons during their event, then they are more than welcome.
I hear you. I'm sorry. We have to go. Thank you to our panelists. Thank you to our viewers. Leland Vittert is coming up next. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. Go to newsnationnow.com to find News Nation on your television provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of News Nation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.